guys!
Hi, I'm Mica, and today we're doing the Boots Girls Challenge.
Bouncy blow dry hair tutorial.
We'll be using some of our favorite products from Boots.
Let's go!
I will say I'm quite a slick back girly.
Yes.
So I've brought in Yas, the blow dry queen, the blow dry CEO of the villa, to do a little blow dry for me today.
I'm so excited to get my hands on Mica's slick back hair.
My hair is wet. It's slick back as per usual. I'm gonna take it out. Should I take it out now?
Let's take it out.
Oh gosh.
Oh God!
She's looking a bit crazy.
Really long though, Mica.
I know, but she's a bit of a main.
Oh no, I love this. This looks great. And we're going to be using the Fabulous all-in-one hairstyler today. It straightens, it styles, it's going to make it glossy. So we're going to prep it with this, just to get it nice and straight before we style it.
Perfect.
So I'm going to turn this on. It's got loads of different heat settings, so we don't get heat damage. Have we got any heat defense?
The Redken Acidic Color Gloss, this is so good.
We've been using this a lot.
This is really good. I obviously have curls, so like, as much as I'd love to switch up my look and try lots of different hairstyles, I have to be careful and I have to use a heat protectant, because otherwise I will no longer have curls, so.
I'm just going to put like an
even layer around.
Even layer. Then we can probably section off the hair.
Yes.
Maybe like half up, half down, just so we can get it really dry.
Yeah, let me.
To the root. That smells so good.
That smells delicious.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's start.
Okay, so I'm gonna pop it on.
Okay.
She's powerful. Wow.
Looking straight.
Looking great. I don't know whether they can hear us.
I don't know either. Oh my God.
I mean,
that's actually crazy, guys.
Like, considering me his hair is like so curly, we've prepped it, ready for the next step. But we need to do this section first.
But this is insane.
Everyday slick back. This is so good. Okay, let's do the top section.
Let's do the top.
And then we can move on to the fun part.
Perfect. So I'm going to quickly use the Denman brush. This brush is really good.
This is like my favourite hairbrush of all time.
And it's actually so cute.
So
Look how cute the little floral design is.
I've not seen this one before. This must be like a new addition. Do you want to give it a try?
Oh yeah, should I?
Yeah, give it a try.
Okay, let's try. Oh, it's so easy. It feels nice. This is so good.
I'm just teaching her so I don't have to do everyday blowout on her. And the bristles make it really easy to electrolyze.
It just feels like a hairbrush.
Well, now we're going to use it without. Yeah.
It's giving. We're in a music video. This is good. I'm sweating. Guys, it goes. It can. Ignore the way I look. It can go really hot, but it also can go really cold. And that's what we were just testing.
Oh, wow, gliding through the hair.
Honestly, it's so good.
If you're in a rush, you know what to use.
And we are in a rush a lot of the time.
We are in a...
Actually, I am. Yaz is very much always
ready. I take about 20
ready.
minutes to get ready every night.
I'll be like, Yaz, please, can you go and help me?
And then I can't say no because I'm already ready, unfortunately. So this is the Fabulous Style Secret Air Automatic.
Rotating colour and waver.
We haven't actually used this before.
I'm really excited to see.
It looks insane.
If I can use any of these tools, then you can use them, because I am the worst. I've made it known that I'm the worst at hair.
Everyday slick back isn't a thing anymore.
Everyday slick back can't happen anymore.
Everyday blow dry, on the other hand.
That's more like it.
That's more like it. And every day in the dressing room, Mica always says, can you please do my hair? So I'm going to be teaching her a few things today as well. Okay, let's give this a go, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to pop it in.
So basically with this product, you press a certain button and it will tell you how, like, it'll do it automatically for you, which is actually perfect. And then it'll beep and it'll be done.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah, let's give it a swirl.
That is quick, isn't it? And then it's going to beep to tell us when it's done.
Okay. Too.
This is insane!
Yes, this is crazy. Do you see that perfect little ringlet?
This is
a perfect ringlet.
Slide the hair in. There's a little button here. That's all you need to press, guys.
Wait, this is crazy.
No, stop. No. So, you're gonna want to pop the hair in there.
Where's the button?
And then the button, do you want me to press it?
I'm scared.
Okay, then we press this button.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at these ringlets. This is the bottom half of my hair done.
They look insane.
Should I just like part, like you do this side first?
Okay.
Oh. Now this is giving Bridgerton.
That is giving Bridgerton. This is giving Bridgerton. Guys, I'm so obsessed with this tool.
This is crazy.
It's so easy, like it's kind of foolproof, to be honest with you.
I feel like if I was actually sitting in a mirror, I could do it properly.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah.
of course. But she says that, but actually she just wants me to do it.
No, I just want Yas to do
her.
it. It's honestly very therapeutic when Yas does my hair.
Oh my God!
Wait, this is crazy. That literally took, I'm not joking, less than 10 minutes. Which oil are we using?
So this is the And Honey Deep Moist Hair Oil.
Rub it in.
Gonna just rub a little bit.
Oh my God, it smells amazing.
It does.
That smells so good.
We need to lock this in all day.
Okay, so this is the Boots Everyday Firm Hold Hairspray.
Oh my God, the boys always steal it from the dressing room, so we are asking for this all the time.
Guys, I'm not joking. Every single morning, the boys will literally be like, can we have some hairspray? Every single night.
Before they bring us a coffee in the morning, they're asking for this Boots hairspray. Gonna give a good spray. It's not me like straddling you right now. Flip it back. Oh.
What's it giving?
It's giving beachy. It's giving gorge.
It's really pretty.
And so quick and easy.
Yeah!
Oh my God. It doesn't mean that I'm not doing Mica's hair every night.
Oh no, she still will be doing my hair.
I'm still going to be having to do her hair every night. She actually scares me with a hair tool in her hand, but that's fine. I don't mind.
I think all the girls are scared when I pick up that curler. I think they're like, because
but when you pick up this you're
no
going to be
one will
fine. No one's going to be scared anymore.
No, this was great, guys. It's
Amazing.
actually so easy. This is revolutionary and this will change my life. No, but honestly, Yas, you're the best. And
You
thank
look
you,
beautiful.
I love you.
Thank you so much for watching our hair tutorial. We've got another night of lots of chats.
And for more BTS behind the scenes, subscribe to Boots' YouTube channel.
Woo!